Time is perhaps the biggest contradiction to mankind. We had so much time when we were young, without a care in the world. Yet we have so little time when we get older. With each passing day, all things start to decline, and the more time passes, the faster this happens. And so it is with our health. As each day passes by, our bodies are starting to fail. These and many other health ailments affect our health and quality of life on a daily basis. What we once took for granted is nothing but a dream. Many people retire from a hard-working life only to be left with a life of pain and misery. Unfortunately, it's simply the aging process with many of these health ailments attributed to a failing of circulation. There is no miracle cure, and doctors have yet to find the elixir of youth.
Hi, I'm Belinda Sidhu. Firstly, thank you very much for inviting us into your home. I am the Managing Director and founder of Superior Lifestyle. Like many others, I watched my parents work so hard for many years, hoping to build a solid foundation for their retirement. All those years, they were concentrating on a financial goal. The reality is that whatever their finances were at retirement, they were unable to enjoy the benefits of those riches due solely to a lack of good health. This is something that I have seen repeated in household after household, and not just people who are terminally ill. Even simple minor health ailments can cause misery, pain, and adversely affect the quality of their life. I spent years researching ideas that would help not necessarily to extend their life, but I felt there was something somewhere that could be done to reduce the pain and suffering, maintain their mobility and independence, and finally, keep them in their own home as long as possible. This was very important to my parents, as they told me many times they did not want to be a burden on the family. The best answer I found was here in Australia. I have spent the last 9 years developing a way to deliver a non-invasive therapy without medication to help overcome a range of common health problems. Let's understand why simple health ailments can cause so much suffering.
The circulation in a human body is divided into two parts. We have the blood circulation system and the lymphatic system. In order to survive and function properly, every organ in the body needs a continuous supply of oxygen and nutrients. Most people, however, forget we also need to remove carbon dioxide and all of the waste products. The heart pumps around 5¼ litres of blood per minute, moving blood continuously around the body at high pressure. There is also a secondary low-pressure system that affects the removal of the body's waste products and toxins, the lymphatic system. Whilst we all may well know the role of the blood circulation system, many are unaware the role the lymphatic system plays and what effect it has on the overall health of the body. Toxins are extracted by nearby cells, tissues, and blood vessels, and eventually filtered out through the liver and kidneys. However, unlike the blood system, which has a heart to pump the blood around, the lymphatic system relies mostly on muscle movement. In other words, exercise, and lots of it. It's simply not possible to get the amount of exercise we all should for a variety of reasons. A reduction in circulation is where the problems start. With poor circulation, congestion around the tissues can occur. When congestion does occur, inflammation can build up around blood vessels and also around the joints. Inflammation around tissue can cause severe pain and even reduce the mobility around the joint. We can see here the effects of a failing circulation throughout the years. Whilst nobody can extend the lifespan of an individual, If circulation could be improved, what follows is a remarkable result, an improvement in the quality of life. The Chinese have known for centuries the therapeutic effects of a good massage and how it aids poor blood circulation. Almost a century ago, when miners, who at the time suffered severe backache, leant against the conveyor belt, discovered a different type of massage known as cycloid vibration massage. They found it had a soothing effect, reducing pain and discomfort. Cycloidal vibration is characterized by small amplitude, low-frequency vibrations and works by producing motion in 3 different directions. The nature of the waves allows for very deep penetration, unlike other more invasive types of massage. The massage will penetrate all 7 layers of skin, all muscles, tissues, organs, and through more than 3 feet of bone. Cycloidal vibration's unique action may help in many ways by improving circulation around the body. Some effects may include easing breathing problems, such as snoring or asthma, increases blood flow around the heart and lowering high blood pressure and toxins, reduces a prolonged chronic inflammatory phase to stimulate healing, stimulate lymphatic flow, reducing symptoms of edema, also known as lower leg, ankle and foot swelling, alleviates and reduces patient pain, increase production of beneficial vascular nitric oxide. A study conducted by Professor Pierre Levens, head of the Department of Medical Rehabilitation at Brussels University, observed an increase in blood vessel vasodilation and flow due to the non-invasive application of cycloidal vibration to the skin after just 10 minutes. Also clear was the increased lymphatic system flow, highlighted with blue dye. Levens concluded improving skin and soft tissue blood flow can improve the healing of wounds caused by impeded circulation and tissue ischemia. A clinical study published in the Journal of Wound Care in 2002 showed the application of cycloidal vibration in patients suffering severe erythema, blistering, and edema associated with their cellulitis. Patient A saw after just 3 days of daily use of cycloidal vibration and antibiotics on the infected area resulted in significant improvement and was fully recovered and discharged after 7 days. In comparison, patient B, suffering a very similar condition, still had significant cellulitis at the end of day 7 without the use of CVT.
Your consultant will now show you the benefits of my research, starting with how you may be able to sleep better. There is a simple solution to a better quality of life.